Hi, it's me, Josephine, and like you see, I'm back in my home finally. Sorry that I'm looking kind of pale. I am sick. I came back with the airplane to Portland and now I don't feel very well. That also explains why my voice is kind of weird. Also during the video, I'm lowering my voice sometimes because it's just, yeah. I really am very happy and thankful that you all were waiting so long for that video. And finally, here it is. I'm showing you how to make the body of that very cute Gnome baby. And in the next video, what I will upload as fast as possible, I will show you how I am making the leaf. I also had plans to make a video for Michaelison, but I just couldn't. It get all too overwhelming. So I really am so happy to be back here and that our home is not burned, even though it is all a little complicated right now. But yeah, we just think positive like always and everything will be fine somehow. Okay, then I wish you lots of fun with this video, and don't forget to tell me in the comments down below, were you able to really actually copy that? Did I miss out on something? Because I fast it up a lot, but I also tried to lower the speed sometimes so you can actually see what I'm doing. Don't forget, if my video is too slow for you, there is an option down there in the corner that you can change the speed of the video. You can fasten it up or you can slow it down so it is the speed you need to see what I'm actually doing there. But I try to make it fast as possible, but also, yeah, to kind of show the things I'm doing there so everybody can see it, and it's kind of a middle for the ones who just want to also do it at the same time while they watch it. And it's not too fast. Of course, you can press pause. And some things I did not show, like the second arm and things like that, because I just thought that it is, yeah, I think that you will know how to do the second arm after I showed the first arm. Yeah. Okay, lots of fun with this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, because this really helps my YouTube channel to grow. And I would also be very thankful for every comment you want to leave down below. Let me know what are your next YouTube video wishes. What do you want to see? What do you want me to make for you so I can be a little more creative? Are you interested in videos about Christmas already? Because it's kind of early, but I am thinking about starting now with our Christmas calendar, and I will probably make a lot by myself for different reasons. I really love making things by myself, and of course it can be cheaper depending on what you want to make. And I think it's also something very awesome because it comes from your heart. You put there a lot of effort inside, and it is just okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here and you haven't done that yet. This would make me really happy, and you will not miss any of my videos anymore if you also click on the notification bell. Here is our doll face. So the bottom is still open.
And now this little guy needs a body. I'm gonna use one of those.
I'm folding it in the middle. And then folding here to the sides, so it's like a T. Then I'm taking some wool and I just start rolling this here around. This is my felting needle. Then I'm taking my sewing needle again. I'm going to continue to close this in this direction to the bottom. Now I'm going here around like we did it at the beginning. And now I pull. A lot of people, they just cut this part off and then they do it, but I like to use that part. I'm trying to go more down to the body than to the arms, because the arms, they still need their hands, and that's something I do a little different. So for the hand, I need an area where the wool is a little thicker. Just want to hide the wire. You start with the hands and then you go to the arms, because if you have to do it too much, then the arms get so thick, then it looks weird. I want to do more of the white on the arms because they still need a different color on top, so I'm gonna continue now. Here with body, bring this in a nice shape, and down there you do the same. To get down a little faster, you can also use something like this. Okay, so now I need sort of the same color as the skin. I'm taking only a tiny little bit, doing this in very little pieces. So my baby needs to wear something. You could also use directly the colorful wool, but the colorful wool is more expensive. So this was now the video. I hope that was really helpful for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you haven't done that yet. All of this will really help my YouTube channel to grow and it will make me very, very happy. And I'm really excited to show you in my next video how I am making this leaf. Have a beautiful time. Goodbye. See you soon.